Hey, welcome to Lesson 5.2, Prime Factorization. Okay, in this lesson you will learn how to find the prime factorization for a number. Now, hopefully you know that a prime number has exactly two factors, just one in itself, and that a composite number has more than two factors. So examples of prime numbers would be 2, 7, 11, 17, and examples of composite numbers would be 4, 12, 24, 72, 100. So besides 2, every even number is going to be a composite number. One way to find the prime factors of a composite number is to divide by prime numbers. So when we break it down, it's going to look something like this. So here's how we do this. So to find the prime factorization, we're going to do 84. So to break it down, we're going to take 84 and we're going to think about what factors multiply together to get 84. And it's always best to start with a prime number. So we could start with 2 because we see that it's an even number, so it is divisible by 2. And we're going to multiply 2 times 24. Now we know that 2 is a prime number, so we can circle that and stop there. But 24 has other factors. So we could do 2 times 12. We can stop there. We can break down 12 even further. So we can do 3 times 4. And 3, we can stop there, but 4, we can keep going. So we can do 2 times 2. So we have quite a few 2's. So let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to start with our lowest number, which is 2, and we're going to write it in exponential form. So we have 2 to the 4th power. So we have 4 2's times 3. And we've used all of our numbers up here. So this is written in prime factorizational form. So 2 to the 4th power times 3. And you can check that by actually multiplying it out. So 2 to the 4th power would be 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 3 is 84. Okay. So you try. Let's try finding the prime factorization of 28. So go ahead and stop the video and see if you can do it all on your own. Okay, so when trying to find the prime factorization of 28, we're going to break it down and we can do 2, because 2 is a prime number, times 14. We know 2 is a prime number, so we can stop there. 14 we can break down into 2 times 7. So 2 is a prime number, so we can stop, and 7 is a prime number, so we can stop. So remember, we're going to write it down here in numerical order, so we have 2 to the 2nd power times 7. And to check it, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 7 is 28. Okay, so let's try 3 more. I want you to find the prime factorization for 70, 99, and 75. So go ahead and stop the video and try these on your own, and then I'll show you the answer. Okay, so let's start with 70. So what can we multiply together to get 70? Well, it ends in a 0, so I know it could be, we could do a 2, we could do a 10, we could do a 5. Let's do 2 times 35. Okay, so we started with a prime number. We can break 35 down into 5 times 7. If you look, they're all prime numbers. So the prime factorization would be 2 times 5 times 7, all written in numerical order. So we can check it. 2 times 5 is 10, times 7 is 70. Okay, now let's do 99. So 99. I know that 11 is a prime number, so I could do 11 times 9 to get 99. So there's a prime number. And then I can break 9 down into 3 times 3. So to write it in prime factorization, it's going to be 3 to the second power, because I have 2 3's here, times 11. We can check it. 3 to the second power is 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 11 is 99. Okay, one more. Hopefully you have the hang of this. So let's do 75. We're going to break that down into 3. Start with 3 because that's a prime number. 3 times 25 is going to give me 75. So I can stop there. 25, we know that 5 times 5. And 5 is prime, so there's no other factors besides 5 and 1. So I have my prime factorization, 3 times 5 to the second power. And we can see that 5 times 5, 5 squared is 25. 25 times 3 equals 75. So hopefully after this lesson you will be able to find the prime factorization of a number. You'll be able to check to see if your prime factorization is correct. And you can see how the rules of divisibility help you with this, as we did in the very beginning, trying to figure out which numbers can we multiply together. So, hopefully fist of 5, you're at a 5. If you're not, feel free to ask somebody or go back and view this video again. Here's your assignment today. You're going to do practice page 5.2 and an enrichment 5.2. Good luck!